Hi everyone, welcome to Pensia Event 2020. My name is Samina Zaidi. I have been living here in Fargo since 2010. I am originally from Pakistan. I have participated in Pensia Event since 2014. Pakistan, Islamic Republic Pakistan. The name Pakistan means land of pure. Pakistan is divided into four provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Motto: Faith, Unity and Discipline. Capital: Islamabad. Largest city: Karachi. National language: Urdu. Official languages: Urdu and English. Religion: Islam. Population: 207.77 million people. Independence Day: 14th August 1947. Currency: Pakistani rupee. Pakistani flag. The green color symbolizes the Muslim majority in the country, while the white stripe stand for the religious minorities. The white crescent and the star represent progress and light. Pakistan has a rich cultural diversity as a country largely multilingual, multicultural, and multi-ethnic. I am going to present the traditional culture and colors of Pakistan. Brass handicrafts. Brass is a highly diversified metal used extensively to create art pieces and sculptures. It can be forged or cast into almost any shape to get the end result. Brass has not only become popular in Pakistan but is globally considered one of the finest metals to make decorative memorabilia and utensils. Brass vase, brass shoes, brass candle stand, brass jewelry box, elephant, brass dolphin, brass teapot and cups. Ladies, this is ladies shirt, cotton shirt with golden embroidery, wear with jeans or trousers, and blue shirt, cotton shirt with blue embroidery. Shalwar kameez is the national dress of Pakistan and is worn by men and women. Shalwar refers to loose trousers and kameez refers to shirts. Pakistanis wear clothes ranging from exquisite colors and design to various types of fabrics such as silk, chiffon, cotton, etc. Dupatta or long scarf. It is purely hand embroidered. This is front and hand embroidery. Most of women just put on a shoulder. It is used with different embroidery design. The dupatta is used to display modesty. Bread basket, changir. These bread baskets are made from straws by artisans province of Sindh. Coffee table covers, set of 3, cut work and machine embroidery. Bangles. In Pakistan, colorful bangles are an essential part of the female identity, and glass bangles are considered the prettiest. A large variety of bangles are made from metal, stainless steel, glass and plastic and are available in a variety of colors, sizes across Pakistan. Traditional cushion covers, embroidered cushion covers. Traditional table runner. Wood carving. Pakistan's wood carving is famous all over the world. This is hand carved walnut wood collapsible basket. It's collapsible fruit basket or dry fruit basket. Another beautiful hand carved wooden wall hanging with 99 names of Allah. Hand carved wooden wall hanging. Traditional hand embroidery ladies woolen shawl, hand embroidery and mirror work. This is mirror work hand embroidery. Jewelry, silver jewelry, necklace, earrings, ring, another silver jewelry with precious stone. Ladies trousers, embroidered trousers, ladies bracelets, leather industry. Pakistan is considered to be the hub of producing high quality leather and leather products. Men's wallet, keychain, visiting card holder, long purse, leather ladies clutch, khussas for women. It is made of leather in various colors. Women of Pakistan love to wear khussa shoes on casual or formal events. Khussa comes in all colors and styles, and these traditional shoes never get out of fashion. These khussas are embellished with delicate golden work. Hand embroidered ladies pouch, hand embroidery, fancy ladies clutch handbag, hand embroidered bed sheets with pillow covers, another bed sheet, embroidery and cut work, truck art is very famous around the world, where the whole idea of decorating trucks, lorries and rickshaws with floral patterns and poetic calligraphy has evolved in the most radiant and innovative manner. Truck art tea kettle. Tea kettle is used to heat water. Only it can be heated by placing on a stove. It is a type of pot specialized for boiling water with a lid, spout and handle. Pakistanis love tea, where it is called chai, and evening tea time is such an important time of the day that many people enjoy tea. Truck art teacup, truck art lantern. A lantern is an often portable source of lighting, typically featuring a protective enclosure for the light source. Historically, usually a wick in oil to make it easier to carry and hang up and make it more reliable outdoors or in drafty interiors. Truck and rickshaw, tuk-tuk, art scale model of a decorated Pakistani truck. This is truck and rickshaw. Truck art tray, truck art table posters, beautifully painted. Truck art coffee table. Thank you for watching a video.